In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a calendar in New Outlook. If you want someone else to be able to view your schedule, coordinate meetings more easily, or stay updated on your availability, sharing your calendar in New Outlook is a quick and useful feature to know. I'll walk you through the process in a simple way so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Outlook on your device. Once Outlook is open, make sure you're in the main application window and signed into the account that contains the calendar you want to share. This is important because if you have multiple accounts connected, you'll want to be working from the correct one before you send access to anyone else. Next, look for the calendar section in Outlook and click on it. This will switch you from your email view into your calendar view, where you can see your schedule, appointments, and events. If you're new to New Outlook, the calendar option is usually easy to spot in the navigation area, and selecting it will bring up your full calendar interface. Once you're in the calendar view, go to the top of the screen and look for the Share Calendar option. This is the setting you'll use to give someone access to your calendar. Click on Share Calendar to continue. If Outlook asks you to choose which calendar you want to share, simply select the one you want the other person to access, especially if you manage more than one calendar. After that, enter the email address of the person you want to share your calendar with. Be sure to type the correct email address carefully so the invitation goes to the right person. This step is what tells Outlook exactly who should receive access. Finally, click Share. Outlook will then send the calendar sharing invitation to that email address. Once the recipient accepts it, they'll be able to access the calendar based on the sharing permissions available in Outlook. As a quick tip, before sharing, it's always a good idea to double-check that you're sending the correct calendar to the correct person. That helps avoid confusion and keeps your schedule organized and secure. And that's it. That's how to share a calendar in New Outlook. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very quick and easy to repeat whenever you need to collaborate with someone else.